harmony of flavor that showcase the Filipino culinary creativity. Lastly, nilotlot. Nilotlot refers to the dishes cooked or wrapped in banana leaves, often used for steaming or grilling. This traditional cooking method infuses the food in a subtle, earthy aroma, enhancing its natural flavors.
Mabuhay and good morning everyone. My name is Giselle Sangan and this is my topic. Now let's proceed to Davao de Oro. Davao de Oro is a province in the Philippines, Mindanao Islands group located in Davao region. So Davao de Oro, known for a rich gold deposit and gold mining industry. So now we tackle about the festival in Davao de Oro. First is Bulawan Festival. Bulawan Festivals means a celebration of the life, a thanksgiving for the nature, the wealth, culture, the bounties of harvest, and serenity of living. Second is the Diwanag Festival, a Christmas light festival symbolizing the unity of Davao de Oro. So, ang pinaagi sa kani siya nga second festival sa Davao de Oro is ang paagi sa ilang pagfesta is the Christmas light. Then ang Christmas light is nagasymbolize siya sa ilang pagkausa. So the third one is the Simbalay Festival, an annual Thanksgiving celebration in Nabunturan, Davao de Oro, held during the third week of December. Simbalay Festival symbolized the unity and togetherness of Nabunturanos and their Thanksgiving celebration for the bountiful harvest of this capital town, Davao de Oro. So now, let's proceed to the attraction in Davao de Oro. First is the Mount Candalaga, one of the most beautiful and favorite mountains in Davao region, which home the ethnic Mandayan and Mansaka tribes. The second one is the Marangig Falls. The Marangig Falls is a stunning multi-level waterfalls. Then the third one is the Mainit Hot Spring. Mainit Hot Spring, natural sulfuric hot spring. Then, so next is the Tagbibinta Falls, known for a stunning series of cascading waterfalls in Davao de Oro. So let's proceed to the Delicakis in Davao de Oro. First is the Binignit, a sweet coconut soft. Ang Binignit is naapod na siya diri sa Tuap. Then pero isa siya sa Delicakis sa Davao de Oro ang Binignit. Then the second one is the Marang fruit, a sweet creamy tropical fruit. Ang marang nila dito is apel siya sa Delicakis sa Davao de Oro is kinakuan siya sa a sweet creamy tropical fruit. Then the third one is the chicken binakol. It's a Filipino soup for the Western Visayas region made with chicken, fresh coconut, water, and young coconut meat. Then is the pancit combal. Pancit combals refer to variation of the traditional Filipino noodle dish associated with the province of Davao de Oro, which was formerly named Compostela Valley. Kaya for short is Combal. So next is the Davao Oriental. Davao Oriental is known as the sunrise capital of the Philippines. So the Davao Oriental is have a festival then. First is the Mandaya Festival. The main festival especially for the Mandaya people, and the Kalindungan Festival, which celebrates their culture, unity, and resilience. The second one is the Niyogan Festival, a coconut festival celebrated every October 29 to give thanks for a fruitful harvest. Then the Sambuokan Festival, a celebration of the ethnic customs and tradition of indigenous people who are residents of the city. Then the next one is the Banayan Festival, a celebration of the town's primary agriculture product, rice. And then let's proceed to the attraction in Davao Oriental. First is the Hikan Beach. The Hikan Beach is the famous for skimboarding and sea turtle nesting. And the second is Aliwagwag Falls. The country tailless waterfall system is gitawag siya og tailless waterfall system kay iyang mga bato is